Hello, all my Pinky pals. How are you guys today? Hope you're doing well. Yeah, I don't know what that was. Anyway, today you'll notice nothing. You'll notice nothing. There's no iPad here. What's going on? That is the question. Well, I'm going to answer the question right now. I wanted to play with mushrooms and, make some stuff. Please ignore any bruises you see, I swear. I'm not being beat. I just bruise easy. I found these at the dollar store, where I do love to go. And I just thought they were super cute. They're small, so I should be able to, I hope, I should be able to get through all of these in one video. We shall see. I say that now, and then I'm like, Alicia. But there's only 8 of them, so I'm going to dive in. I don't know what I want to do with them. I don't know if I'm going to make them characters, something else. I don't know if maybe I'll sell them in my shop, keep them for myself. It just kind of depends. But I'm going to stop playing with them, I guess, and pick a sacrifice, I guess this one. And yeah, let's see what I can make. Alrighty, guys, we are diving right into this one. I hope you enjoyed it. It was so much work. Oh my god. And I also I realized as I was editing that I need to really work on presentation, I think, in general, because I did not think about, like, doing the sculpting for one first and then the painting and I don't know. I didn't think about that stuff, so clearly that's something I need to work on. But other than that, I thought I did pretty good with this one. I really liked the way the little sculptures came out. I thought they were really cute. I still think they're cute. They're sitting on my desk right now. Pinkee's staring at me. That's really creepy. I'm just going to turn her away. But yeah, so I think they turned out pretty good. This is the first time I've ever sculpted anything, like, ever. And I enjoyed it. The flower on Pinkee, I was pretty impressed with myself, as I should have been. But yeah, it was pretty much the same process over and over again. I was able to wet the clay whenever it dried out, and so I did repeatedly, and I just wanted the heads to be bigger, so I made them bigger, and it was like a struggle to kind of keep it around the cap part, I guess, whatever. I decided to go with my sprouts. I did the main 4, my seasonals. I did my 3 new ones, and then I did a brand new one, which I actually really liked. I will say, the paint going on, though, is just kind of juicy. Like, I just really enjoyed it, especially when I was just doing them all in paint. I will say, obviously, I did this over a couple of days. The second day, when I went and looked at my air-dried clay, it was all cracked up like crazy. But it's fine. Paint fixes everything, right? It fixes everything, right? Anyway, it doesn't matter. It did. Well, it didn't actually. What I did was I filled it with glue. I filled the holes with glue as best as I could, and then I painted over with. Because that's just what you do, I guess. I don't know. I don't know. I've never done this before. I'm learning. I do think I did learn, like, as I went on. I really wanted to give them, like, eyeballs, but I found out real quick that Pinkee looks really scary with them. Like, really creepy. So I didn't do that for the rest, although I almost did, and I was like, no, why am I doing this? But I wanted them all to be the same, and it kind of bugs me that Pinkee's a little bit different, but that's fine. But I do think I learned a little bit as I went. I really enjoyed it. However, I really don't think that I want to ever do something this small again as a clay thing. The pieces were so teeny tiny. Like, I couldn't get the detail I wanted. I didn't like the faces because I just couldn't make them look the way I wanted, So it was kind of hard in that respect. But when they were all, like, painted, I thought they were really cute. I thought the colors came out really well. I'm just dealing with, like, dollar store, not pastel colors. They're all primary, and some are neon. And I think I got my vibe for color pretty good. I was able to have, like, some pretty nice, like, muted pastels, which I'm sure, we all know that's that's kind of my go-to. I love me a muted pastel, and I just thought it turned out really good. I don't know. I thought the colors were really nice. I should have saved them. Pretty sure they're just sitting in my palette and all crusty now. And I will say, I know my palette's gross and disgusting, but I mean, like, whose palette isn't? I don't think I've ever seen a clean palette. Like, it gets dirty once and then you'll never see it clean again. Unless you have, like, professional palette cleaners. I don't have those yet. Oh, I just love that brush. That first brush stroke, whenever it's, like, all white. Oh, love it. Mwah, chef's kiss. So good. But anyway, we're like halfway through this video. I haven't even like, I'm so rude. I haven't even said hi to you guys. So hi, how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. I hope that you're not like sick or anything. It's kind of that time of year, I know. I I felt like poo like all week. But I am just anemic again, so it's just like I'm just tuckered is all it is. Well, I mean, there's a little bit more to it than that, but that's the thing that bugs me the most because I hate to sleep. And anyone who knows me knows I don't really sleep and I don't like to do it. And I know I should, and I really got to start trying to go to bed earlier. That being said, it is 1:30 a.m. and the clocks have gone back an hour because I'm doing this like voiceover the night before it goes live because hey, I'm back to my old usual things. But I've had a lot of stuff to do, guys. Just throwing out excuses over here. That's what we do. That's what we do on this channel. Make excuses for our art and for our time and for the fact that we don't take care of ourselves. Anyway, I just really like them. I think Apple, like, I love that bear. I don't know. I know that a lot of you guys love Apple too. I know. And I think they are just so sweet. I don't know what it is. I want to do so much more with Apple. I just think they are the sweetest. But anyway, I hope you guys are doing well, is the point that I was trying to get to at that juncture. I am really excited. I'm working on something new. Something that I really am passionate about and I'm really interested in, and hopefully you guys will like it too. I have so many new things, obviously, always new stuff at this point. I've got some new things going in the shop. I've got my own like website shop will be launching soon. I have new different products that'll be in there. I have a new book coming out for December for my Create with Pinkee series. It is going to be like a winter wonderland theme. I'm really excited for it. Of course, we have our like fall thing going on with Patreon, and that's so much fun. I have like so many things going on. I love it. It's so good. And yeah, I think that's it. We have a new prompt list up, obviously. It's the beginning of the month, so, you know, new month, new prompt list. We have that going. And what else? What else? What else? I think that's it. That could be it. I don't know. But that's a lot, right? So check out the description. All the like links and everything will be there. And if you are enjoying the video and this is something that you'd like to see, like maybe we could create more than just art. We could do, you know, taking my characters and creating them in all kinds of ways. I do like to crochet. I like to do needlepoint. I like to do all kinds of stuff. Like, I don't just draw. I love to do all kinds of stuff. So if there's ever anything, like if you like these ideas or like customizing, I would love to do like squishy makeovers like Miranda Elizabeth does. I think that'd be so much fun, but I don't have any squishies and I have looked and looked and looked and can't find any. So I don't know. Maybe I need to go to like thrift stores or something. I don't know. But I'd love to do like something like that. I think would be really fun. And yeah, that's it. That's all I have. We're almost to the end. Oh, what was I going to say? I can't remember. Oh no, I can't remember. I'm sure it was important. You guys know me. I don't talk unless it's important. Yeah. Um, I don't even believe that lie myself. I can't remember what it was. And it might not have been important. It might not have been important at all. Yeah. We are winding down. I did something a little bit different. I filmed my intro and I filmed my outro. So I hope you guys like that. Let me know in the comment section below which one was your favorite. Who do you like? Who are you like? What did you do? Why did you do them so dirty? Like which one do you like absolutely hate? You know, which one do you absolutely love? I'll take them all. I don't care. I'll take any comment. I love them all. Bad, good, mean, not mean. I mean, I prefer them nice, but at this point, any comment means that the algorithm will like me for a little bit, right? We all gotta play that game. So, give it to me. Give me all of it. Alright, guys, here we go. We're done. I did my best. So yeah, we have Pinkee. Now, what I did learn about this was I do like the way I did her flower. I thought that turned out pretty good, especially considering I struggled. The bow is a struggle. The eyes, putting the balls in, that was not a good move. It was terrifying, and now I'm a little scared of my own art. But overall, I don't think that she's too bad. I think she's pretty good. Remember, I've never done this before in my life, so be gentle. And I mean, next up is her best friend B, and I mean, B is cute. I actually really like B. I think she turned out really cute. I would have liked her cheeks to be a little bit different, but otherwise, I don't know. I think she turned out pretty good. We'll keep with the originals. So then we have, I forget her name, Noelle, I think is what her name is. I can't remember. But she's the Christmas kitty. Now these are supposed to be like bells, but I don't know. It's so tiny, it's hard to detail it. I think I'd like to make these on a bigger scale, to be honest. And then, oh, and yeah, I'm not a huge fan, but, I tried. Then we have Lenore, who is a little bat. And you know what? I actually don't mind Lenore. I think she came out pretty good considering. I have done some Nightmare Fuel versions of poor little Lenore. So, yeah. And those are the original, like, 4. Next, I did Apple and Friends because everybody loves Apple and I love Apple. I think he actually turned out really cute. I say he, I think they're a them or a they them. Yeah, they turned out really flippin' cute, I think, for, the talent that I have. I think it turned out cute. Next up, let's do Freddie, his friend. So I did him without a mouth, and then I was just like, he needs a mouth. Like, it's weird without a mouth. I don't know. And then I did it over to the side because I thought it'd be cheeky, but in reality, I really just don't like him. I'm so sorry, Freddie. I did you wrong. I did you wrong, my friend. The colors are also a little bit off, but I don't know. I couldn't continue. Next is Dory, who's, she's okay. I realize now that I painted her, leaf the wrong color, I think. Oh, sorry, Dory. I have to double check. Because now I'm like, wait, did I? Maybe I didn't. Where's my Instagram? Come on, there's not that much there. Oh, yep, definitely. So her leaf should have been red. I'm sorry, Dory. Will you ever forgive me? Rude. Okay. That's the next 3. And then I thought I would create a new one. And you know what? I don't hate this, which is something. I like the idea. I like the concept. What I don't like is the execution. But I like the idea of little ghost. So I think that I might try and get this one a little bit more. Like, try my best with her. I don't use black, so this kind of like muted purple was what it was going to be, but I wanted it to be a black cat. Though, saying that now, maybe I could use black painting. I don't know. Anyway, those are them, guys. Honestly, I think B and Apple are my favorites. You know what? I actually love them completely. Like, the reason why, if you're a patron member or if you are a, if you look at my Patreon, B's Besties is actually like the tier that you can join. You can't be a Pinkee, you're a B Bestie because B is Pinkee's best friend. So you guys are my best friends. Anyway, they turned out really good, I think. And they're my favorites. My least favorites, I have to go with Noelle. I'm sorry, but I did her wrong. Like, it's not your fault, girl. It ain't you. It's me. And, sorry. But otherwise, the rest I didn't think were too bad. I think I did pretty good considering the first time I've ever done any clay thing. I will say it reminds me a little bit of like I used to be a carpenter, and odd switch here, but I did. I used to be a carpenter. I was going through for my apprenticeship, and due to health issues, I couldn't continue. But during that time, I also really liked masonry, and it gives me the same feels. So I think I would like to try it again, but on a bigger scale, because it's really hard to paint the little tiny details with a little tiny brush that is not a great brush because it's all like dollar store stuff. But I think I'd like to try it again. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section below which one is your favorite. Don't forget to like, subscribe, you know, all that YouTubey stuff. And I will see you guys in another video. Maybe they will too. Maybe? No, they definitely won't. Sorry. A special thank you goes out to my patron supporters. If you would like to take a look and join my patron, you can join for free, or for an extra $5 a month, you get some extra goodies, and you can catch that in my description below. Thanks, and have a great day, guys. Bye.